Hey guys, this is Glowing Snorlax here with some pack openings. Just purchased a couple of X and Y Roaring Skies and let's see what we get. So this is actually my first packs for this set. Alright. We have the code here. So let's see what we have. We have Trainer Smell, Pelipper, Wally, Natu, another Natu, Togepi, Fletching, Execute, Skyfield, nice, and Altaria will be our rare. Alright guys, this was a first test of a new camera that I have here, and I'll be opening some other packs. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.